Hey, welcome back everybody. This video is going to be how to repair one of these latches. So this camper's from 1982 and this has gone spongy. What happens is they break. You see this one's starting to crack right there, right in the hinge, right there. So we're going to fix it. I already did this one, so I know what I'm doing. Alright, that's got a brand new latch on it now. But the new one comes out in a different place, and I'll show you on that door there. So there's one. See that shows nice and easy. And if you listen to this one when it shuts, it's barely catching. So the first step is going to be to remove the knob. The camera's in the way 100% of the time. Knob off. Okay, now when you take it also takes off the escutcheon. Make a throat clearing noise, and that's what it's called. Okay, so you're left with 3 holes, and we're left with a screw we've got to try and get out. Well, if it wasn't broken before, it is now. But this is what we want. We want that long screw. Now we're going to take the new latch, and I will put a link in Amazon for you if you want to buy one of these. I'm going to take one of the long screws, the knob long screw. We're going to stick that in. What it's doing? Okay. Let's get the bottom one. And also gotta have that scotching on. Now you want it when you put the knob back on. There we go. You gotta be gentle. You want it so it releases and doesn't bind up, because there's only really one spot where this will fit because of the 3 holes, and if it sticks, it's in the wrong spot. I believe that's the right spot. Now we're going to come over here, maybe, and we've got the catch, right? The problem is this is where the old one was. And now the new one's over there. I have a solution for that. So my solution is this piece of maple that I don't know what I was doing with, but it just happens to be right thickness. For those curious, this is just about 1/4 inch. It's about 5/8. And we're going to need to cut it. So a little while back, Genmitsu, Sane Smart, Wood Starter, whatever name they're using this week, told me I won something, and this is it. And they sent this to me. And they sent just this to me. Okay, we got a saw, we got some blades, we got instructions. They sent that to me, and I wrote them, and they said, what am I supposed to do with it? There's no battery. I said I can't do anything with it if there's no battery, so they decided to send me the battery. Oh, that's kind of cool. That spins. They sent me battery. I think this is it. I haven't even opened this. Okay, that looks like a battery. I haven't even opened the package yet. This is the first time I've taken this fully out. Okay, and it works. And they also sent me a charger, which is going to be really handy when that battery goes dead. And that is what that looks like. I'm not sure what. Oh, it's got a safety thingy on it. There it is. If you want one of these, I'm going to try and put a link in the description. They're not paying me or anything, but they did send it to me nicely, so. And they were nice about the battery problem too. Okay, so we don't need all of this, right? We're gonna cut it right about here. We're gonna use some drywall screws on this anyway, so. I'm down to one battery. Just one. All the rest of them crapped out. We got our screws. Got our latch. We got our block. Not going to be able to see much. But basically what I'm going to do is screw through here, and hopefully back into the same holes it came out of, because there's like 6 of them here. There we go. Perfect. Alright, that's how you change the cabinet latch. Okay, well that's done. If you like little screws and stuff, it's the way to go. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.